Hello everyone, this is Senthil Palaniappan, founder and CEO of Sennovate. Thank you for joining this short video about how do you protect your SSH keys. This is very important because anybody can create SSH keys and it will never expire. If it ends in the wrong hand, pretty much you are exposing your environment. So management of SSH key is very, very important. So I'm going to share a few tips regarding how do you manage it. First is provisioning and deprovisioning. So you need to have a proper policy in place in order to provision and deprovision SSH keys. I would recommend strongly to do it through password vaults, so you know that when you create these keys and how do you share, and it's easier for you to revoke or deprovision when you need to. Then the next one is the DNA tools. A lot of PAM solutions having something called discovery and analysis. So this basically scans your system periodically, and then it gives a report of what are the exposure. It will find your the orphaned keys or the unused keys, so it will help you to purge that. So there's a discovery analysis tool. Even cyber partners like CyberArk, Thycotic, they have these tools. This is free. Make use of this tool to scan your environment frequently to make sure that no anomalies or no exposures there. Then also you can define how do you use the keys for the legitimate purpose. So some of the best practices is don't allow access from dev and test environment to production, and also the use of the service accounts by humans. Avoid as much as possible, or absolutely never. You can any human, they wanted to access it, they use it through their account, not through service accounts. And also you can limit or absolutely eliminate the manual creation of SSH keys. Basically, you disable the commands that can for the manual creation of SSH keys. So that's the best practices, like to eliminate so that people cannot create on their own. Then the authorized list. So yeah, you lock down the authorized list so that people cannot go and modify. We limit now, only the authorized people can do it. Not everybody can go and touch that file. So that is lock down those things so nobody can access that. And finally, the security information and event management tools, and then integrating that with the syslogs. So make sure that you build analytics around it. So any early detection of threat, will help you to mitigate or avoid any major potential risk. That is the one. So these days, a lot of PAM tools available with all features. The tools provide all the features. The tools like CyberArk, Thycotic, they provide all the tools and means, but you need to have the proper procedure and best practices within your organization to make sure that you get the best value out of those tools and protect your environment. Thank you for joining this video. See you next time.